What's up? Today we are unboxing a 25-foot HDMI cable that I ordered off of Amazon. Here is the bubble mailer it came in. Remember, these things are perforated. You can just tear it right open. Yeet. Alright. There it is inside the bag. There's the item and nothing else. Cool. This is the Fosmon brand. Every need, every day. This thing looks pretty long. 25 feet. Let's get inside and feel it. Resealable ziplock. Here it is. Fosmon. Right there. It's printed on Fosmon. On both sides. HDMI on both ends. This is able to stand video qualities of 4K, but I'm going to be using it for just regular HD. 25 feet. Let's unwrap this. If you guys are looking for a 25-foot cable or some long cables, HDMI cables, I'm going to put the link to them and other similar items in the description of this video down below. That link will take you directly to the product page, and right there you can learn more about it and even decide to buy if you wish. And if you do decide to make a purchase, I get a small cut at no extra cost to you, so I really appreciate it. Feels pretty thick, doesn't feel flimsy, and it's pretty long. 25 feet, that is a lot of cord. There you guys go. Now you know what to expect when you order your 25-foot Fosmon HDMI cable from Amazon. You know how it's going to come and what you're going to get. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!
Chula, Chula, you're almost gonna be one, beautiful. You're almost gonna be one.